Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, I'm sharing my thoughts on the NEOSTRATA Bionic Face Cream, a soothing, reparative emollient designed for sensitive skin. If you're on the lookout for a fragrance-free, non-comedogenic moisturizer that promises intense hydration, this could be worth your attention. Let's break it down. This cream is formulated to cater to sensitive skin, and its gentle formula aims to provide relief and moisture without irritating your complexion. The key feature here is the inclusion of Bionic Complex, which helps restore the skin's natural barrier and lock in moisture. Its gentle, fragrance-free nature makes it a suitable option for those who are prone to irritation from perfumes and dyes in their skincare products. The 40 grams jar is compact and easy to store in your skincare arsenal. I've been using this product for a couple of weeks now, and it's been a great addition to my daily routine, especially in the morning after cleansing. It has a rich, creamy texture that's not too heavy, but still delivers an immediate feeling of hydration. As someone with sensitive skin, I'm always cautious about introducing new products, but this cream felt incredibly soothing. It absorbed quickly, leaving my skin soft and dewy without any greasy residue. The real-world testing came down to daily use, and I noticed that it kept my skin moisturized all day, even in the dry, colder months. I tested it under makeup, and it served as an excellent base, creating a smooth canvas without clogging my pores. I also tried it overnight and woke up with plump, nourished skin, which is a definite win. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. On the positive side, this cream is super hydrating and works wonders on dry, irritated skin. It's fragrance-free, which I know many with sensitive skin will appreciate. Plus, it's non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog your pores, a big plus for acne-prone individuals. On the downside, while it's great for sensitive skin, it's a bit thicker than other lightweight options, which might not be ideal for those with oily skin. Also, if you're looking for a more affordable option, this one is on the pricier side for a face cream. When it comes to value for money, it's essential to assess what you're getting for the price. NEOSTRATA is known for delivering effective, high-quality products that target specific skin concerns. For those with sensitive or dry skin looking for something that goes beyond just moisturizing, the Bionic Face Cream is a good investment. However, if your skin doesn't need the intensive care this product offers, there are more affordable options out there that could work just as well. Comparing this to similar creams on the market, you might find that brands like CeraVe and La Roche-Posay offer similar, gentle, hydrating products at a lower price point. But if you're looking for something with a unique bionic complex that focuses on barrier repair, NEOSTRATA stands apart. The packaging is sleek and simple, with a sturdy jar that feels well made, though I do wish it came in a tube for better hygiene. The cream itself has a good shelf life and doesn't lose efficacy over time, which is a testament to its quality. For a product that's targeted for sensitive skin, the formulation seems to hold up well and remains effective throughout the months of use. I didn't personally interact with NEOSTRATA's customer service, but the brand has a solid reputation for being responsive and helpful to customers. They tend to handle any issues promptly, which is always a good sign when investing in skincare. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something that's a bit more budget-friendly, I'd recommend checking out CeraVe's Daily Moisturizing Lotion or Vanicream's Moisturizing Cream, both of which provide hydration without the hefty price tag. But if you're after the barrier-repairing benefits that come with the Bionic Complex, this is the product to try. To wrap it up, the NEOSTRATA Bionic Face Cream is an excellent choice for anyone with sensitive, dry, or irritated skin who needs something that provides deep hydration and repairs the skin's barrier. It's effective, gentle, and fragrance-free, making it a standout in the sensitive skin market. However, if you don't need intensive care or are on a tighter budget, there are more affordable options to consider. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.